Hello, friends. I am happy to introduce my book titled The Green Walk: How Walking in Nature Transforms Your Health, Mind, and Spirit. My book is a self-published book on Amazon. The Green Walk is a gift given to me by my late father more than 30 years back. I remember the first walk I had with my father in a green park. And the reason was that I was very much sad because my mother had undergone a surgery and I was a little child. That was the first time my father took me to a green pathway and tried to calm me down by putting me in nature. I have been doing green walks, that is walking in nature, in green nature, for more than 30 years. And what I learned in the process was that the green walk, when you walk in nature, it gives you benefits on a physical front, on an mental front, on an emotional front, and also on a spiritual front. I faced many adversities in life, and I always remembered what my late father had told me, that son, when you are facing adversities, life will give you problems. You will face adversities. To calm down yourself, to bring peace to yourself, one of the best things is to go and surrender yourself to nature. That's what I do. I do my green walks regularly. I walk in nature. That's a lifestyle habit. Problems come, problems go. But what green walk brings me is to a neutral level. I'm not very happy, I'm not very sad. I have observed the transformative power of green walk. Walking in nature, in green natural pathways. The only thing you talk is with nature. The only thing you hear is the silence of nature. And it's my own experience that it brings me a different kind of peace. I request and urge you to read my short book, The Green Walk: How Walking in Nature will Transform Your Mind, your body, and your spirit. And please give me your feedback. It's a very short read. Thank you.